This Christmas, be prepared. Hang on to your seats. Critics are calling it sensational.
Okay, let's try that again.
What is up? My name's Samuel Leeds. Love me or hate me, I make a lot of money in property, and I'm back this year, 2020, helping more people become financially free in The Eviction.
And I'm back too after COVID has dried up pretty much all voiceover work. Last year's Eviction was absolutely thrilling, with Anthony bagging the £20,000 top prize, and this year the whole show is being shaken up Samuel Leeds style, with more action, more drama,
what you've been doing for the last 5 days is calling everybody out,
and more devastating rejection than you've ever seen on YouTube before.
You're evicted, you're evicted, you're evicted.
Join us on Boxing Day 2020 to watch a whole bunch of new candidates ride the thrills and spills of property. Subscribe to the Samuel Leeds channel now, and we'll see you on December 26th for brand new The Eviction.